Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website www.millettable.com. Today I am making Kalkandu Saadham, Kalkandu bath using Panangalkandu, that is palm sugar candy. Panangalkandu யூஸ் பண்ணி இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பண்ணுறது கல்கண்டு சாதம். ஸோ எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்மால் குக்கர் ஆட் water. I have taken half a cup of samai, little millet. I soaked it for an hour and drained it. So place this vessel. I took half a cup of samai in this cup. So I am adding half a cup of water with the same cup and half a cup of milk in the same cup. Now close and cook for 3 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, switch off and let the pressure settle down. And switching off, 4 whistles have come. Let pressure settle down, then we can see. So now the pressure is settled. Now add 3/4 cup of palm candy sugar, that is Panam Kalkandu. Add 1/4 cup of water. We will make syrup out of this. Once it melts, filter the impurities. You can use normal candy sugar also, but using palm candy sugar is more healthy, so I am using palm candy sugar. Now filter out the impurities. Add back the syrup. Meanwhile, mash the cooked millet with the back of a ladle. Keeping the heat on low. Add the cooked millet. Mix everything well. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now switch off. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a small pinch of salt. Mix well. You can add more ghee also if you want. Now finally garnish with ghee fried dry fruits. Add some ghee fried cashews. So now our Kalkandu bath or Kalkandu Saadham is ready.